In biology, the nervous system is a highly complex part of an animal that coordinates its actions and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of its body. The World Wide Web is the nervous system of our planet, the backbone of our interconnectedness, the portal to a virtual world where thoughts and emotions constantly flow from one point to another, which we've never felt as palpably essential as during the time of the pandemic, when the physical world was forced to a halt. The internet, our global nervous system, kept our senses and our identities in motion. It allowed the human fabric to breathe, pulsate, and resonate with each other like an octopus. Within this living membrane, the permutations of ideas, stories, and senses flowing across its tentacles are infinite. We want to capture its essence, which is boundless. To do that, we sample some virtual expressions and deposit them into memory cells that are sitting somewhere in the cloud, in a remote piece of silicon that occupies physical space in the world. We populate it, and we can format it. It's serving our attempt to expand our ability to engage, discuss, process. Any signal carrying any kind of information in any part of the world at any time is wrapped around electromagnetic waves that vibrate in a specific frequency spectrum. It can be light in fiber optic cables or radios in the air, just like a message in a bottle, where the motion of the ocean is used to send a signal from point A to point B. Our mission is to find creative ways to encode more efficiently digital streams of information into the endless vibrating motion of nature.
What do you hear in my own atmosphere? Ooh, yeah, yeah. As your visions decree, makes me know mystery. What do
the internet of things is like everybody see. Artificial intelligence already running streets.
No 5G, that's unlikely. We in 5D, the fifth dimensional reality.
Clicking and scrolling by lives with no truth. Look, they are pulling on our cables and cutting down our wires.
This search becomes entangled with my dream of the present, a hope for connection, envisioned and embodied through perceptions of being alone, being together, being elsewhere, being present, being here, being now. I want to grasp it. I want to be able to hold this elusive feeling of being seen. Actually, what is it really that I am trying to question here? I am aware this set of visions is not a random reflection of thoughts and directions. It can be seen as a search, a quest, an attempt to question questions I have answered with nothing more than questions. I inspire myself to be a form of technology, which enables me to be freed from the limitations of space, as to fly like a bird. See from above ever as from below, transcend the speed of light, to stream, perhaps to be all that more than a depiction of the internet itself. Within my present, I not only become part of the network, I am the Octopus Network, a generation that, like camera, the bird's eye, frees itself from immobility and moves on, Still, how can I capture the invisible fabric that is not materially conceived to be grasped? Either way, I envision beginning and endings within my visions, nor on land or on water, I encounter my form of connection.
The surface of the web is shallow. Our egos are stroked by a wave of lights. It makes us think we are loved by many, but in actuality leaves us feeling alone and forever disappointed with the human interaction. Clicking and scrolling by lives with no truth. Look, they are pulling on our cables